Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a state-based greeting card. So, what state-based greeting cards are, if you go to a tourist attraction, they have greetings from California. That's where I'm at. They have greetings from Arizona, Nevada, Utah, all those states, and many more. So I'm going to show you how to make a custom one using a paint program and a printer. So what you do is you go to File, you go to Open, and you find out where your save picture is. You do Open, and this is the one I made the desktop background with. So what you do is you go to Resize, you do Resize again, you make it really small. So now what you do is you send it to your printer. So what you do is you go to File, Print, there you go. One portrait, there you go. Click Print. There we go. So, this is what your picture looks like. Yes, I know it's a little distorted because I made it really small. So, in this case, you want to fold it what they call hot dog style. Just give me a minute here. So now that I have this, I grab a pen, and what I do is I write right? So that's where I'm at. And then what you do is on the inside, you put there we go. So this is just a basic card I just did. So basically what you do, that's where I'm at. And then what you do is you put greetings from there. And you can do whatever you want. And I have a picture of my desktop background. So that's how you make a state-based card. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.